Good morning, student. Today I will discuss about the derivatives of the antacid. আমি অলরেডি এর আগের ক্লাসে অ্যান্থাসিন এর ডিটেইলস ইন্ট্রোডাকশন আমি পড়িয়ে দিয়েছি। এবার কিছু আমাদের ডেরিভেটিভস করতে হবে লিঙ্ক টু সিলেবাস। এর মধ্যে যে মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট ডেরিভেটিভ সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যান্থাকুইনন। তো আমরা ডিটেইলসে আসার আগে অ্যান্থাকুইননের ডিটেইলসে আসার আগে তো এটা আমি একবার ওভারঅল বলে দেই। অ্যান্থাসিন ইজ দ্য three benzene molecule fused to form the antacid, and it is in the chemical reaction it is most susceptible at the reaction at the C9 and C10 position. So most important derivatives or among the derivatives of the antacid is the anthraquinone. Now going to the specific in the anthraquinone. Anthraquinone normally 9-10, that is the 9 and 10. 9-10 anthraquinone anthraquinone is also known as the anthraquinone, and is there the synthesis portion. It can be synthesized by various ways, either in oxidation or Fidelka reaction. First going to that is the oxidation. Synthesis of the anthraquinone. In the oxidation process, antacid is react with the antacid react with the oxygen in the presence of the catalyst, that is the vanadium pentoxide, AgNO3, and high temperature about 400 degrees Celsius. The antacid oxidized and form the anthraquinone. Or 9-10 anthraquinone. So in the oxidation process, antacid is the starting material which react with the 3/2 oxygen, where the partial oxygen is involved in the oxidation process. That is the catalytic reaction, and with the presence of the vanadium pentoxide and high temperature, it produces anthraquinone. And here is we already in the chemical reaction of the antacid, we also already studied that antacid undergo oxidation in the presence of the sodium dichromate and H2SO4, and it also produces the anthraquinone. In the oxidation process, by using different catalysis, we produces the or we give the anthraquinone derivative, anthraquinone. And second, another synthesis of the anthraquinone might be, that is by the Howard synthesis. We already studied in the synthesis of the antacid. So we taken is the phthalic anhydride. We taken phthalic anhydride as starting material, which react with the benzene in the presence of the aluminium chloride, and the benzene is react. The break is brain at the phthalic anhydride, and benzene is react to form orthobenzoic acid. And here is the orthobenzoic acid, and here is the OH react with the hydrogen in that portion and remove the H2O, and cyclic to form anthraquinone. Here H2SO4 used to remove the water molecule. That's about the synthesis of the anthraquinone. That is we studied about by the oxidation process and by the Fidelka, that is the Fidelka reaction. So now going to the various chemical reaction that come under the properties of the anthraquinone. In the chemical reaction process, in the physical properties, it is the ionosolid and needle-like crystal, melting point 286 degree Celsius. Melting point above the melting point when heat करा है, the sublime हो जाए. और normally the anthraquinone is because it is a purely aromatic compound, so it is insoluble in water and soluble in ether, alcohol, etc. Non-polar solvent. In the chemical reaction, the anthracene molecule derivative, that is the anthraquinone, started there the anthraquinone containing 9 and 10, that is the meta substitution, and meta 9 and 10 position containing with electron withdrawing carbonyl group. So that's why it is the inactive to the various ESR reaction. It is the inactive to the ESR reaction because it is the meta directing substituents. And that, but in the drastic condition, is the most drastic condition, it's formed, it's undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction, like that is the undergo nitration and sulfonation in drastic condition. So in the nitration case, normally the nitration reagent use concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. It produces in the nitration case 1 nitroanthraquinone. It is undergo nitration and forms 1 nitro anthraquinone. So write the structure that containing the anthraquinone, and it is the at the one position and nitrogen group they attach and the nitration reaction, and another electrophilic substitution reaction is shown in the anthraquinone, that is the sulfonation, and sulfonation is the occurred in the presence of the sulfonation is carried out in the presence of the oleum. Oleum is the also known as the fumic sulfuric acid, so you can write down that is the fumic H2SO4 sulfuric acid, and at the 160 degree, I mean high temperature, it produces both, that is the 2-sulfonyl anthraquinone, or in case of the 1-sulfonyl anthraquinone. But in the 2-sulfonyl anthraquinone at 2 position, that is a major product. So these reactions, that is the 2-sulfonyl, this is known as the 2-sulfonyl anthraquinone, or you can say that the 2-anthraquinone sulfonic acid, that is the major product in the sulfonation process, and it is very much important for upcoming the derivative that is the dye process, alizarin dye. For the synthesis of the alizarin now, that is very much important, that process of the sulfonation. Now going to the various reduction process, when it is reduced with there is a 3 reduction catalyst used, and it is when reduced with the tin sulfuric acid in the presence of mild acid, that is the glacial acetic acid, tin sulfuric acid or glacial acetic acid, that is the hydrogenated, one carbonyl group is the hydrogenated and forms the anthone derivative. that is the hydrogenated and form, that is the reduced to form the anthone derivative, that is the anthone, 9 anthone. And in the when reducing agent is the reducing agent use the sodium hydrosulfide. When reducing agent use sodium hydrosulfide, in the presence of the sodium hydroxide and basic medium sodium hydrosulfide, then the reduce the carbonyl group to the corresponding alcohol. The both 9 and 10 position carbonyl group is the reduced and form the 19 dihydroxy anthracene. So first we in the reduction process we first describe the tin reducing agent is the tin and HCl, and in the presence of the tin and HCl and amide acid, that is the acetic acid, the one carbonyl group is the hydrogenated and form the 9 anthone. And when the reducing agent is the changes reducing agent, we use the sodium hydrosulfide in the presence of sodium hydroxide. The 2, 9 and 2 position carbonyl group is the reduced to the corresponding hydroxy molecule. And when we reduce with the zinc dash at zinc dash and 150 degrees Celsius we subjected for distillation, and it is formed by the reduced and formed the anthracene. Zinc dash distillation at 150 degrees Celsius. So we discussed about the various chemical reaction. I think you noted down. You already copy write in your copy. So I revised that. That's one thing. First one is that is the more not susceptible to the electrophilic substitution reaction because of meta substitution, because of the meta group, presence of the electron withdrawing group at the meta position. Meta directing substitutions, and it is the undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration and sulfation only, and the nitration it produce the 1 nitroanthracene, and in the sulfonation, that is the major product is the 2-sulfo-9-anthraquinone. And in the reduction we use the 3 type of the reducing agent. When we reduce with the tin hydrochloric acid in the presence of acetic acid, it produces anthone. When we use the sodium hydrosulfide, it is the form the molecule is reduced and form the hydroxy anthraquinone, that is the dihydroxy anthraquinone, and when distilled with zinc dust at 150 degrees Celsius and distillation process is formed the anthracene. And the uses of the anthraquinone is the use for the synthesis of the alizarin. Alizarin, that is the alizarin, that is the dye, and it is the dye on precursor of the various dye preparation, and that is the important and dye which is the also application of the anthraquinone. And alizarin is the in the basic, that is the alizarin is the red dye color, splendid red dye color, and is obtained for the roots of the mother plant. In the naturally it is the mother plant roots থেকে obtain করা হয়, and soluble in the dye, that is the soluble in the water. Usually the structure আমি একটু পরে স্ট্রাকচারটা ড্র করছি, তাহলে তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে যে এটি ওয়াটারে solubility water is soluble, I mean polar molecule is soluble, polar and semi-polar like alcohol is soluble, and it is used for the preparation of the dye and pigments. So now going to the alizarin details of the most important dye, that is the alizarin, and the structure of alizarin is the anthraquinone derivative containing hydroxyl group and 1 and 2 position. So in the nomenclature you can write that is the 1,2 dihydroxy anthraquinone. It is a dye and it forms the splendid red color. Now going to the synthesis of the alizarin. Synthetic alizarin, we already synthesized the anthraquinone from the Howard synthesis, that is the react with the ferric anhydride and benzene, and in the presence of the aluminum chloride, that is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, and further it is the water molecule is removed by the when treated with the sulfuric acid, and it is formed the anthraquinone, and anthraquinone are subjected for the sulfonation, and in the presence of the oleum or fumic sulfuric acid at 160 degrees Celsius, the major product is the form, that is the 2-sulfonyl anthraquinone, and when that is the sulfonyl derivative of the anthraquinone is oxidized in the presence of the sodium hydroxide and potassium chlorate, that is fused with the sodium hydroxide and potassium chlorate, followed by the oxidation with the acid, it forms the alizarin. Here is the sulfonyl with the removed and addition of the 1 hydroxyl group, and at the 1 position another addition of the hydroxyl group. So only that remember that the synthesis process. To synthesis process, first you have to write down that from the anthraquinone first, that is the first process, that is the sulfonation, and second, that is the fused with the sodium hydroxide potassium chloride, followed by the oxidation with the acid molecule, and in the undergo oxidation to form the alizarin. That is the structure of alizarin, 2,1,2-dihydroxy anthraquinone. And from the alizarin also we can produce various dye, like when it is it can be produce the alizarin blue also derivative. So just remember that what is the synthesis, what is the structure of alizarin and synthesis process of the alizarin. And in the second derivatives of the anthron, we already discussed about the anthron in the reaction of the anthraquinone derivative, that is the from the reduction of the anthraquinone 9 anthron is produced. So you can write that the synthesis process of the, that is the anthron molecule, anthron containing 1 carbonyl group which is the 10 position. So in the nomenclature, that is a 10 keto, at a 10 position keto group, 10 keto 9,10 dihydro anthracene. When anthanol, that is prepared from the anthanol moiety, and anthanol moiety, that is the hydroxyl group, 1 hydroxyl at the 10 position, anthanol moiety, When heated the anthanol molecule, it produces the anthone, or in case of in the anthraquinone derivative, in the anthraquinone molecule, it is reduced in the presence of the TnHCl and mild acid, that is the acetic acid or glacial acetic acid, it produces the anthone molecule. And another derivative, that is the amino anthracene and amino anthraquinone, 2-amino anthraquinone. The name suggests that the 2-amino anthraquinone containing amine group at 2 position. So that is the 2-amino anthraquinone. It is prepared by the heating sodium. It is prepared by the sodium salt of the sulfonic acid, sulfonyl anthraquinone. It is prepared by the sodium salt of the sulfonyl anthraquinone. That is the sulfonyl anthraquinone, and we use sodium salt of the sulfonyl anthraquinone with solution of the ammonium chloride and sodium arsenate, which is undergo the oxidation. So that is the sodium salt of the anthraquinone, which undergo the react with the ammonium chloride, ammonia and sodium arsenate, and undergo the oxidation to produce the 2-amino, that is the single bond, not double bond, 2-amino anthraquinone. Uses of the 2-amino anthraquinone, এটা পেইন্টিং কে ইউজ করা হয়। ইউজ ইন দা পেইন্টিং, পেইন্টের যে কালিতে ইউজ করা হয়, ভেরিয়াস ডাইয়ে ইউজ করা হয়। That is the infusion of the anthraquinone. So most, that is the about the anthracene, it is the mostly used in the various preparation of the various dye. You see the alizarin molecule, it is from the red color formation, or alizarin blue, when it is converted to the blue by chemical reaction, it is from blue color formation, and it is also used the various derivatives of the anthracene used, that is the various dye industry, paint industry and dye industry. That's all about the anthracene. In next classes we will discuss about the phenanthrene molecule, and in the phenanthrene molecule we already studied that the phenanthrene, that is the angular fused ring of the 3 or tricyclic benzene. 3 benzene are fused to form angular polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon, and you will find that that is also aromatic, because it follows all of the rules, all of the properties of the Buchel's rule guideline. So in the details of the phenanthrene we will discuss about the next classes. Thank you all.